Hello friends, welcome to the Careers in Consulting channel. Should you choose a better job title or better salary when switching jobs? This is the question in the minds of a lot of candidates when they go for switching jobs. In this video, I will provide you complete clarity on this question on this topic. After watching this video, you will have no doubts whatsoever regarding this question. So please watch this video till the end. Do like it, do subscribe to the channel if not done already. So let's start. So when you are switching jobs, you may be in contact with multiple prospective employers, and this is the dilemma in the minds of a lot of candidates, that they are in contact with two companies and company A is providing better salary but a lower job title, and company B is providing a better job title but lesser salary. So which company shall they select? This is a standard dilemma in the minds of lot of candidates when they go for switching jobs. Now the clear-cut recommendation, the clear-cut answer to this question is, please go for the employer who is providing you better salary, not the better job title. Go for the employer who provides you better salary, because please realize salary is the only objective metric on the basis of which you can compare these two opportunities, you can rate these two opportunities. On the other hand, the job titles are very subjective, because different companies, they follow a different hierarchy within the organization. So a manager in company 1 may have 5 years of work experience, and in company 2 they may have this kind of a hierarchy wherein they make a person manager only when the person has 20 years of work experience. So if you go and compare these two job titles, it will have no meaning, because both of these companies are following a different hierarchy, and you as a candidate will never be able to compare on the basis of job title. So please realize this pointer. And similarly, you will find in real life scenarios as well that a company 1 may be directly promoting you from a consultant to director when you have, let's say, 5 years of work experience, and company 2 is promoting you only from a consultant to a senior consultant, or maybe providing you consultant profile at the same level of work experience which we discussed, 5 years. So it is very difficult to compare the hierarchies across companies. So job titles are very subjective. Also, you have to realize that a better job title does not guarantee better work. Like we discussed in the first example, wherein the candidate got promoted to director level in company A, and in company 2 the candidate got promoted to senior consultant level. Now there is no guarantee that at the director level the candidate will have a better work experience or will be provided a better work profile. There is no guarantee about that, because again, as we discussed, since this company 1 follows a different kind of hierarchy, maybe there are a lot of directors in the company, and then there are people who are at a higher level who actually do the managerial work. So again, it is very subjective, and it does not guarantee better work for you as the candidate. Also, please realize, in the same company the job title is very important. I will not deny that. So in the same company there will be a difference in terms of if a candidate is a consultant, if the same candidate becomes manager in the same company, then definitely at manager level the candidate will have a better work profile. But when you go to switch jobs, at that point in time, your designation, your title in your previous employer in the current company does not come into the picture at all, because the new employer will give you the job title on the basis of your number of years of work experience. So you will tell that, okay sir or ma'am, this is my number of years of work experience, I have 5 years of work experience. So the company HR will tell you that in our company, if candidates have 5 to 7 years of work experience, we give them senior consultant position, and above that we give manager position. And another company may say that okay, at 5 years of work experience we give the candidates director position. So it is decided by the company HR, by the new company HR, basis of the policies in that new company. You will be provided the job title basis of your number of years of work experience, not your current job title. So you have to realize this when you are going to switch jobs, that your job title at the new company will be decided by the number of years of work experience, not your current job title. And a common narrative here floating around is that the job title gives you respect. So let me talk about this. The job title only does not give you respect in the company. It is your experience, it is your skill sets, it is the projects under your belt which will give you respect in the company. So when you get directly promoted from, let's say, consultant level to a director level in a new company, it is not that just because you are a director level people will start respecting you. It is only when you have good experience, you have done some good, significant, very important projects of high dollar value, and you have those projects under your belt, and you have had some good experiences, you have some very good in-demand skill sets, only after that you will be respected in the company. No one will respect you just on the basis of your job title only. So generally you will see that people who are at director partner level, they get a lot of respect in the company, but again please realize they have 20 years or even more than that number of years of work experience, and they have those skill sets, those projects which get them respect. It is not just their title which is getting them respect. So please be aware of this pointer which will help you put things into perspective, and you will not just run after job titles only, you will actually run after getting those skill set, getting that expertise, getting those important significant projects under your belt on your CV as well, right? So you have to realize this. So now let me tell you, we talked about the job titles, how they are very subjective, how they do not guarantee better work for you, how they are important in the same company, but when switching, the number of years of work experience becomes more important, which decides your job title in the new company. And the common narrative that job title only gives you respect is incorrect. Now coming to the salary, as I mentioned earlier in the video, salary is the only objective metric which you can compare salary provided by two companies, on which you can rate the opportunity, right? So it is the only objective metric. And again please realize, let's say you had two offers. In one offer you were provided 20 lakhs per annum, and another the offer 2, the company was providing you 18 lakhs per annum. So there is a difference of 2 lakhs per annum. So please realize this difference is not only of 2 lakhs for 1 year. This difference will keep increasing over the next years, because your hikes in the same company will be on this base package of 18 lakhs per annum or 20 lakhs per annum. And in the future as well, you will be switching companies. So when you switch companies later as well, then again you will be switching on 18 lakhs per annum or 20 lakhs per annum. So that 2 lakhs per annum, that difference will only keep increasing. So you are not just incurring that opportunity cost, incurring that loss of 2 lakhs for only 1 year. That loss or that difference will be there for the next years throughout your career. So please realize that, and do select the opportunity wherein you are getting a better salary instead of going just for the better job title. So I hope you got the entire clarity on this topic from this video. If you liked the content in this video, do like it, do subscribe to the channel, do provide your feedback in the comment section, and do share this video with as many people as you can. And for any personal queries, you can reach out to me on the provided WhatsApp number as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.